Tired of your phone dying at the worst possible moment? The Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is your ultimate power solution, ensuring you stay connected no matter where you are. Imagine never having to hunt for an outlet again, thanks to this incredible portable charger. This powerhouse packs a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, enough to charge your iPhone over 6 times, making it perfect for long trips or busy days. What truly sets it apart is Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology, intelligently detecting your device to deliver the fastest, safest charge possible every single time. Plus, with dual USB ports, you can power up 2 devices simultaneously, whether it's your phone and tablet or sharing with a friend. Talk about convenience. If you're searching for the best portable charger for travel or daily use, its compact design and robust capacity make it a must-have electronic. Ready to upgrade your charging game? Find the best deal and purchase your Anker PowerCore 20000 mAh via the link in the description below. This top-rated power bank truly delivers unparalleled performance and peace of mind for all your mobile charging needs. Don't miss out on what I consider the best electronics of 2025 for staying powered. Grab yours today.